People quietly decide how much they respect you. Not because they know your character, not because they've heard you speak, but because of how you look. And hold on, before you say that that's shallow, stay with me. Because this isn't opinion, it is psychology. Welcome back to Dapper, the channel that makes men's style simple, practical, and real. Today, we are talking about something much more deeper than fashion. Why your appearance is a social signal and not vanity. This video might change how you show up to work, meetings, dates, and other social gatherings, or even around family. Let's dive in. Here is the truth most people don't want to hear. Human beings judge fast, not because they are evil, but because the brain likes shortcuts. Psychologists have discovered something very interesting. Human beings form first impressions almost instantly, sometimes in less than 1 second. So before you open your mouth, the brain is already asking, can I trust this person? Are they competent? Do they deserve respect? And the brain answers these questions using visual clues. Your clothes, your grooming, your posture, your overall presence. This is not about being fair. It's about how the human brain works. And once that first impression is formed, it becomes very difficult to change. You haven't spoken yet, but a decision has already been made about you because your appearance speaks before you do. And that is why appearance matters. Let me say this clearly. Dressing well is not about showing off, it's not about labels. And no, it's not even about impressing people. Rather, it's about sending the right signal. When your clothes fit, your grooming is clean, and your posture is upright, you are silently communicating that I respect myself, I pay attention, I am prepared. And people respond to that. Meanwhile, when you look sloppy, people assume that you are careless, unserious, and lack discipline, even if it's not the case. Have you noticed something here? They are judging your mindset, not your money, not your net worth. And this is why appearance is a signal. It sends a message without words. So at this point, this begs the question, how do I send the right signal without words? Let's start simple. Grooming, clean haircut, neat beard or clean shave, fresh breath, pressed clothes. You don't need money for this. All you need is intention. Because a man who is groomed looks like a man who has control over his life. And people respect control. Then the next thing to consider is fit. Fit is king. You can wear cheap clothes, but if they fit, you look sharp. You can wear expensive clothes, but if they do not fit, you look confused. Baggy clothes make you look unsure. Overly tight clothes make you look uncomfortable. And that's where well fitted clothes come in. The proper fit says, I know my body and I know what works for me. And that confidence shows immediately. Now, this next one is a silent power that most men ignore. Posture. Posture is a silent confidence signal. Before you speak, your posture tells people a story. Upright posture says, I'm confident, I'm present, I belong here. A slouched posture, on the other hand, says, I'm unsure, I'm tired, I want to shrink. And see, it's not like people analyze this consciously, they just feel it. That's why two men wearing the same outfit can get very different reactions. The one standing tall looks more confident and commands more respect. Therefore, you could wear the best outfit in the world. But if you are slouching, you lose respect instantly. However, if you have your shoulders back, head up, chest open, you exude confidence and people treat you accordingly. Moreover, good posture makes your clothes look better on you. Now, picture this. Two men walk into a meeting. One is clean, fitted, calm. The other looks rumpled, tired, and unsure. Who do you think gets listened to first? Right? Exactly. Even when you're on a date, your outfit tells her, are you serious? Are you intentional? Are you grown? I know style doesn't get you love, but it gets you attention and respect. In our everyday life, even security guards, waiters, and strangers treat you differently when you look put together. Not because you are better, but because you look like someone who values himself. So, what does this mean for you? This is not about pressure. It's about control. Although you can't control how people judge, you can control what they see in those first 5 seconds. And once you win those 5 seconds, everything else becomes easier. So remember this, people don't respect you because you demand it, they respect you because of the signals you send. And the good thing is, your appearance is one of the strongest signals you have. Therefore, use it wisely. Let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed people treat you differently when you dress better? Drop your experience in the comments and let's talk. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. You could also share it with a brother who still thinks style doesn't matter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in this next one.